So while discussing about the few points about the pros of a business, I would like to start with a quote of Winston Churchill. It is very famous that success is not final or failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue. That is what counts. So exactly, with in concern of that, I would like to say that doing business, it is just gives you the independence. It offers you that you are your own boss. You have to care for nothing. As in care for nothing. If I'll say care for nothing, then you are your own boss. You can do. You have that freedom in your hand. You know the limitless. You are limitless for your earning and for your lifestyles also. The growth, you are the one who can decide the growth. While in job, you are doing just which is being told. Where it is business, you have the creative freedom and the personal choice that you make for yourself and your financial business that to grow. You have that the sense of your own personal satisfaction that the end of the day you do for your own growth. That comes with the business. And I would like to add one more thing, which was very famously said by Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, that in a country like India where major people are involved in a job, so you can be a change maker. How you can be the change maker? That be the one who provides employment to people. You can be the employer. You can be the feeder of million of families by just inputting your ideas. So by doing business, you can be the one who can make the changes to the society as well. You have the flexible timings, the flexibility of coming and going. That is the plus point of the business. You have no fixed holidays while working. You can be the control of the business can be all your own. You are the one who decides for the for the new to intake of the new or to exit of the new. You are just the one who takes the whole responsibility, and that is the kind of thing that everyone wants. Who wants that you are having the pressure of someone else saying you. So you can get your own recognition. You have your own controls. You can run people's family by doing by just I said by employing them. You know, you can while in doing business, you are creating your own goodwill for your company, for yourself. Whereas in job, people are helping you to create the goodwill for the other. The aspect of the job that you are creating goodwill for someone else, whereas in business you are creating your own personal goodwill. You can choose your own creative team while while taking in charge of what your business will lead to. And that is the plus point. I guess I can say that you can get the chance to involve the creative people to grow your business, right? And you have, whereas you have limits in job, you got no limits in the business. Mahatma Gandhi has said one line that be the change you want to see in the world. So you can be the change maker, as discussed, and that is the thing I guess I have. And we can. I would like to conclude by saying the last line, which was said in the scam by Harshad Mehta, that risk hai to isk hai. So business is all about taking the risk. Either you learn or you fail, but it is the risk that ultimately take you to the some level of heights. So that is the pros of having the business.
We did a lot of contemplation amongst us, and there are few things that we came up with that will convey the message that jobs are far, far better than businesses. The first and the foremost being that you will have a certain income getting deposited in your bank account, possibly on the very first day of a particular month, which is something that may not be a guaranteed aspect while you are doing a business. Okay. The second thing is that while you are on a job, you get an opportunity to hone your skills. And nowadays, 98 to 99% or 95 to 98% of the job, I'm sorry, guarantees periodic knowledge transfer through a lot of training programs. Third, a lot of jobs have offs on the weekend. So that is the time when you get an opportunity to stay with your loved ones. You get an ample amount of time to spend with your family. Number four, if you want to transition from one job to another, you can do so with ease. Because if you do so, you are you're running after better hikes and better positions. In business, the move to transition is a bit tricky because it involves tremendous amount of risks. Also, we have seen that it's very easy to shift from job to business. And what we have also observed that in order to start a business, if we have the experience, if we have the right kind of job experience, we will understand each and every single minute phenomena about how business is done. It will help us get accustomed to the environment because at some point or the other, we must have encountered some of the challenges that will prepare us to face any kind of uncertainty in the future. Again, jobs are better than business. Why? Because we have a check on the pay. Majority of the earnings are clean and white. We have a fixed sheet that is coming from the company's organization that is paced up, and everything is crystal clear over there. So when it comes to income tax concerns, doing a job is far better than doing a business. Yes, if you are a government affiliated business, you will have clean records. But if you have privatized business, there is some sort of amalgamation that you may come up with. Lastly, there is a perception that if you do business and if your business is doing well, you can become a billionaire. But that's no longer the case. It's just a myth. If you have the job, if you keep yourself in a learning phase, if you keep challenging yourself, you do have an opportunity to become rich, become influential, become a billionaire by doing the job. These are some of the things that I feel are better, that makes job much better than business. So our conclusion is that majority of the people in India are middle class, and for everyone to invest high volumes of money in the business is not possible. So if you're asking a common Indian, they will say that job is something that needs to be preferred over business. Yeah, if you have family business, you may have a different answer. But if you are not having a business, then 90% of the people will opt for job. Also, doing business will involve a lot of compliances. And in order to have a smooth and smart business, it's very important that as a businessman, we understand these compliances thoroughly. A slight miss will invite trouble of epic proportions. And lastly, uh, in countries like India and Nigeria, since majority of the people are middle class, it's not easy to build a capital. And strong business needs strong capital, a very strong client base. Business is a gradual process. You have to take a lot of hits in order to have your first gains. Apart from that, external parameters will play a key role in deciding whether the business will develop or the business will go south. If there is a slight alteration in external parameter, like say a government order banning the use of cotton, your business will fall down like nine pins. The profits are likely to go down in case if there is a slight modification in any law or any protocol. That's it from my side. Thank you very much.
So simplest conclusion can be both have their own plus and minus. So if you're a person who is looking for a steady, stable, and secure life where you want an X amount at the end of every month and you want to run the show that way, better you go for a job. And if you're somebody who would like to take a risk and explore more into it and you are able to manage that way, I think business is also not bad. in job you have security, and apart from it there are other people's also to guide you. I feel in a business your responsibility towards your dream becomes more. Yes, we say that in business you don't have any deadline or no specific dates for holidays. Imagine I left my 9 to 5 5 days a week job, and I am now working 24/7. So business is your own baby. Or whenever you're working on your own, that's your own baby. And all the effort, there's nobody to check what you're doing, whether you're going in the right direction. You have to judge, evaluate yourself. You need to learn on your own and move ahead. Whereas in job you have the benefits, there's somebody to teach you, train you, help you, support you. There's a team, you're not alone. These are the benefits there. On the other hand, job has a limited scope after one extent. You can't grow after one extent onto a job. But in business it is infinite. Like you can do anything and everything on your own, and you create your own identity over there. Whatever you do, you are known for. Whether you do it good, bad, it succeeds, it fails, doesn't matter. But you can try, and I think then you'll gradually get what you want. So both has its own plus and minus. I would rather say start with a job, work somewhere, get experience, get into some interesting field, identify what you're passionate about, and then work on your own. Because in future, like after, I would say down the line 25, 30 years, whether you're doing a job or you're doing a business, you're going to earn well. Money becomes a secondary point after one age. Of course, it is important. I understand we have responsibilities. But after one age, after some amount of experience, I think you can earn well from both. So, after one extent, it is not about money, it's about freedom. It's about what you're doing. Are you doing something that you want to do, or are you doing something that you have to do? So, be it a job or be it a business, live the life that you want to live. So that's what I would say. Explore yourself. Whether you do anything, take up challenges, take up new opportunities and assignments. Do anything that you want to do. Try yourself, because that's how you learn more and grow. So you're quite more than what you are. All you need to do is push your boundaries, come out of your comfort zone, and try something new. Be it job or be it business.
Production.